Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today, we're taking a look at the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Headphones in sleek black. These small but mighty earbuds deliver high-quality audio with JBL deep bass sound, giving you the most from your music mixes. Not only do these earbuds provide exceptional sound, they also offer a comfortable fit with their ergonomic stick-closed design. This means you can wear them for hours without any discomfort, and the closed design also helps to exclude external sounds, enhancing the bass performance. But that's not all. With voice-aware technology, you can make hands-free stereo calls on the go while balancing how much of your own voice you hear when talking to others. And with their water and dust-resistant features, these earbuds are perfect for all-day experiences, whether you're at the beach or on a bike trail. So why wait? Upgrade your audio experience with the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Headphones and take your music to the next level. Don't miss out, click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tech reviews.